Hello and welcome back. We're going to be talking about lowercase cursive p today. And I hope you notice this is another descender letter. That means we're going down into the basement when we make our p's. Let's check our box to figure out which strokes we should be doing. We're going to start at the bottom line, up to the broken, pull down just like our J. We're going to go behind our line. We're going to make our bubble for the P, bring it back out to the dotted line. So let's look at the descenders we've had so far. So our F has gone up around the front and back up. So it went this way. Our J went behind. Our P this time will be like the J. It's going to go behind as well. Okay? So don't get it mixed up with the F. Do it like the J. So we start at the bottom, up to the broken, down into the basement, pull behind it, make your bubble, back out to the broken. Pull behind, bubble, right out. And when you're making your P's, it's not like that. Don't do that. You got to bring it right back into where all the other lines are. Down at the bottom, up to the broken, pull down behind, make your P, putting everything tight together, out to the broken line. Up, back behind, bubble, broken. Pull behind, bubble, out to the broken. Let's look at some words. Now, something else I wanted to remind you of is when you're making these words, you want them to try to be about the same size as our sample words. So I'm just writing the sample words. You should be practicing on your own. So if I'm doing peep, my P, my E, and P, when you go to write peep, you should try to make it the same size as that sample word. It might not be perfect, that's okay, but I should not be seeing peeps like this. That's way too big. We want to keep our letters nice and tight together. So try to make them about the same size. We also don't want words like that. That's too smushed together. So we want to try to copy exactly what they're doing. So try to make it as nice and close to their size as we can. It's not going to be perfect. That's okay. We're practicing. We don't expect you to be perfect. That's why we practice, so we can get better at it. Our next word's going to be peel. Start at the bottom, up to the broken, pull down behind, make your bubble, E, L. Next we have is pest. Down to the bottom and behind, E, S, T. Next we have is pebble. P, E, B with that smiley face stroke right into our next B, right into that L, and our E. Nothing to cross or dot. Next we have is pet. Pull down behind, E, T, cross your T. Next we have is help. H, E, L, P. Next we have is step. S, T, E, P. Next we have is purr. Kitty cat purr. P, U, R, R. And our last word we have is tip. All the way up to the top, right into your I, RP. Don't forget to dot and cross. All right, so go ahead and do some practicing.